In this video, I will show you how you can remove WhatsApp group call link. So in order to remove the WhatsApp group call link, what you need to do is to first keep in mind that there is no direct way to remove the call link from the call section itself. So the alternative way is either you need to block that particular person to which you have shared that particular link. Either you can simply tap and hold on their contact list and simply block them, or simply ask them to not use this to call you again and again. Now, if you don't want to block them or you don't want to message them personally either, what you need to do is to simply open up settings and then go to the chats and then click on chat backup. Make sure include videos is turned on and click on backup now. Once you have backup all the messages and picture and videos of your WhatsApp contacts, what you need to do is to simply delete the WhatsApp application for the time being, and once the link is expired you can simply reinstall your WhatsApp again. Or at the end, if you have sent the WhatsApp voice call link recently, you just need to simply make sure to delete it for everyone and you are good to go. So these are few ways by which you can remove WhatsApp group call link.